OMG guys, so ito nga kakalabas lang po ng ticketing details and sabay-sabay po nating isa-isahin. So ito po yung seat plan and stage plan. Let's start with upper back sections. Okay guys, so merong upper E worth 2,500, then upper D 3,500, upper C 4,500, upper B 5,500, and upper A 6,500. So mapapansin nyo guys, so very colorful ano. So ayan, very limited lang si upper E, yung worth 2,500. Then ito yung upper D, then upper C, as well as upper A and B na very limited lang po, no? Nga pala guys, so this is exclusive of ticketing charges. So yung mga price na yan is madadagdagan pa. Next po is let's go sa lower back sections. Starting from lower E, 7,500, then lower D, 8,000, lower C, 8,500. Meron pa pala guys, so yan, lower B, 9,000, then lower A, 10,500. So yan, kung mapapansin nyo is binonggahan din yung paghati ng colors dito or ng sections. So yan, limited lang din si lower E. Then si lower D, ito sa sides lang, walang center. Then si lower C, yan, meron sa sides na limited. Then bumawi naman siya sa center. Maraming seats yung available, yan, sa center. To be followed by lower B, ayan, limited lang din po. Lastly, lower A, ito sa sides, yan. Marami-rami si lower A, but wala siyang center. Lastly is yung VIP worth 12,000 pesos, which is sinakop na yung sa floor. Take note guys na this show is all seated po. So wala pong standing sections. Yes po, seated show siya. Then ayan, VIP rin po sa gilid. Then sa center, yan, sinakop niya rin yung buong center dyan. And gilid. So ayan na nga guys, ang pinakahinihintay natin. So when po ang ticket selling? Ayan po, April 28 na po, 12 PM via online at www.pulptickets.com. So fighting guys, may mga napili na ba kayo or ano ba yung pipiliin nyo? Again, this is for IU Her Walter Concert in Manila at Philippine Arena on June 1, Saturday.